Hello, welcome back to Olney and Clifton Fishing Association with Club Secretary Nathan Flynn. We're down here at our Lavendon Mill section. Now, as you can see behind me, we've got this beautiful weir. We've got the water all the way downstream of the weir, shallower in places, fast flowing, some lovely water. Up above the weir, we've got our slower and deeper sections. Now, we've seen loads of carp bream topping up here recently. It is a little bit of a walk, but if you want the challenge of the unknown, this is definitely your section. Last year's Ron Bull winner, obviously the big Ron Bull staple match, came from this section, so plenty of silvers up here as well. If you fancy yourself a challenge, Lavendon Mill section, come check it out.